Hello and welcome to Pure English Talk. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Jake. It's great to have you with us today.
Today we have a very important lesson, how to introduce yourself in English. Knowing how to do this correctly will help you feel much more confident when you meet new people.
Exactly. A good introduction makes a great first impression. We're going to show you simple, natural phrases that you can use in any situation.
That's right. No difficult grammar, just easy steps. So let's start with the first and most important part, saying your name. The easiest and most common way is to say, "Hi, I'm Hannah," or "Hello, my name is Hannah." Both are perfect. I'm is a little more casual and friendly.
Simple and clear. After your name, the next step is to say where you are from. You can say, "I'm from Japan," or "I come from Brazil."
Right, both are great. So we have your name and your country. Step 3 is saying what you do. This could be your job or your studies.
Yeah, if you are studying, you can just say, "I'm a student." If you have a job, you can say, "I'm a doctor," or "I work in marketing."
Perfect. And the final step, step 4, makes your introduction extra friendly. Add one extra detail. This could be a hobby or why you were there.
That's a great tip, Hannah. For example, you could say, "I love learning languages," or "In my free time, I enjoy reading." It helps people get to know you a little better.
Exactly. Now, let's quickly talk about one common mistake we hear. Sometimes learners say, "Myself is Hannah."
Right. In English, we don't say this. It sounds unnatural. Just remember to say, "I'm Jake," or "My name is Jake." Simple is always better.
Another small mistake we often hear is when learners forget the verb and say, "My name Hannah."
Just remember to include is. The correct sentence is, "My name is Hannah."
Okay, I think it's time for a role play. Jake, let's pretend we are meeting for the first time at a friend's party, a casual situation.
Sounds like a plan. I'll start. "Hi, I'm Jake."
Hey Jake, I'm Hannah. It's nice to meet you.
"Nice to meet you too. I don't think we've met before. I'm from Manchester. What about you?"
I'm from London. I'm an English teacher.
"Oh, that's cool. I'm a graphic designer. I really enjoy drawing in my free time."
See, that was a very natural and friendly conversation. We used all 4 steps.
Now let's try a more formal situation. Imagine it's the first day of a business English class. I'll be the instructor.
Okay, I am a new student.
"Hello, everyone. Welcome. My name is Jake. It's a pleasure to have you here."
Hello, Jake. My name is Hannah. It's a pleasure to meet you.
"Welcome, Hannah. And where are you from?"
I'm from the United States. I work in sales, and I'm taking this class to improve my professional communication.
"Wonderful. You're in the right place."
So you can hear, in the formal situation, we used "my name is" and "it's a pleasure to meet you." It sounds a little more polite and professional.
Okay, now it is your turn to practice. This is the most important part. We will say a phrase and you repeat it out loud. Ready?
You can do it. Let's go.
Great. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. "Hi, my name is, I'm from, I'm a student, I'm an engineer." Nice to meet you.
Fantastic. Great job. Practicing out loud like this really helps your confidence.
And once you've introduced yourself, the conversation doesn't have to stop there. A great way to build a connection is to ask the other person questions about themselves.
That's such an important point, Jake. It shows you're genuinely interested. Simple questions can make a big difference. For instance, if they tell you where they're from, you could ask, "What's it like there?" Or, "I've always wanted to visit. What's the best thing to see?"
It really works. And second, keep your sentences simple. You don't need long, complicated phrases. A simple, correct introduction is always the best.
Yes, I'm Hannah. I'm from the US. I'm a teacher.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. To introduce yourself, just remember the 4 key parts. 1, your name. 2, where you are from. 3, what you do. And 4, an extra friendly detail.
That's all you need. You are now ready to go out and introduce yourself confidently in English.
You've got this. We hope this lesson was helpful for you.
If it was, please give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button. It really helps our channel.
And be sure to subscribe to Pure English Talk so you don't miss our new lessons every week.
And now it's time for your homework. Go to the comments section below and introduce yourself. Just tell us your name and the country you're from. We would absolutely love to meet you.
Yes, we read every single comment. Thank you so much for watching today.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Bye.